everyone, welcome to How to Login. I'm back with another video on how to download Greater Bank application on your Android device. If you'd like to get access to your online banking account for Greater Bank using your mobile application, then keep watching the video till the end. If you are watching us for the first time, go ahead and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another future updates from us. In order to download Greater Bank application on your Android device, first, make sure you're connected to a strong internet. Once you have it, go to the Play Store and tap it on. Right in the search box at the top of the page where it says Search for Apps and Games, search for Greater Bank. Once you do that, you'll be able to find the application displayed in the search result. Tap on the Install button in green right next to the app in order to begin the downloading process. With the Greater Bank application installed on your mobile device, you can keep track of your finances from anywhere at any time, right from your mobile devices. Once the application is done with downloading, wait for it to install. After waiting for a while, your app is installed and is ready for use. Tap on the Open button to launch the app open. That is how you'll be able to download Greater Bank application on your Android device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.